What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. So today I have a beauty haul for you all, and I'll also be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12 Max Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max. I'll be unboxing the new 12 Pro Max. Before I do that, let me show you guys this little beauty haul right quick. Y'all, I've never seen anything like this. I don't know where this brand has been. It's called Lurellla. I don't know where it's been my whole life, but I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna do a whole video around this palette. Let me show you guys. It is called the Adventure Passport palette. So I was already going to do a video where I show you guys how to do your makeup for your passport, because a lot of people think you cannot wear makeup for a passport, but you actually can. There's just a way you have to do it. So there'll be a whole dedicated video to that. But y'all, look at this. And then all the shades are named after a different country. Italy, England, Switzerland, Ireland, US, Brazil, Australia, Greece, and so on. These are some really great colors. Definitely great for fall. And there's some neutrals in there, which I'll be using to do the passport makeup look. So obsessed with this burgundy headband that you guys have been seeing me wear in videos from TJ Maxx, that I went ahead and got 4 more colors. Here's one. So these are the Spy headbands. This particular one is by Cream. This is the only one I got by Cream. The rest are by Kinsey. So I got this one. So these will for sure be some fun colors, like, so you guys don't have to keep seeing the other one. Plus, I just wanted to change it up, but they all the same. They're all the same. They look like this. They're very soft and comfortable, and they're only $3.99. All of these, I believe, were just $3.99. This one was $4.99 for the cream one, but the Kinseys are all $3.99. Let's get into this new iPhone. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I have the iPhone X XS Max. I'll link that video in the description box and in the cards so that you can see. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this phone. I honestly wasn't even going to get another phone, but my husband decided to get one, and I was like, well, I guess I'll try it out too, and if I don't like it, I'll just return it, because it's only a $35 restocking fee. So let's just open this baby right up. So inside the box, you still do get the USB cord, but you don't get the charger box. I feel like every year they give you less and less so that you have to buy something. There's the Apple sticker in here. And there's some instructions or something that nobody's gonna read. It's also the little key in here that you use to take out your SIM card. This is what it looks like. It's the exact same size as my, hold up, is it a little longer? Maybe it's the case. It's relatively the same size as my 10. I honestly haven't even gotten a chance to play with the features yet, but look at this color. Isn't this beautiful? Like, as much as I love pink, and pink is my favorite color, I honestly wasn't mad that they didn't have pink this year, because I love blue too. Like, blue was my favorite color before I became obsessed with pink. Let's take a picture. Here's what the picture quality looks like. One of the first differences I noticed is the camera. Like you see, I have one vertical camera on the back. They moved the actual Apple. You see how it's way up here on this one, and then it's in the center on here. Daryl has had the chance to play with like his settings and to see like the little cool stuff that it does. I haven't got the opportunity to do that. So every time he plugs in his phone, it makes like this weird sound. So I want him to do it to mine, so that's what he's doing right now. He got the exact same phone as me, same color, but his case is clear. I like these cases better. They look just like the OtterBox case, except for they're not OtterBox. But I couldn't find one, so I just went ahead and got this case so that it's protected. I personally don't like the kind of like Daryl phone where it don't have a front thing on it, because even without a screen protector, if my phone goes face down like this, it's not gonna crack. I'll link down this one underneath the video so I can show you if you're interested in getting it. But it has the glitter back on it. It's cute. It's just too slippery for me, and I like to prop it up, and I like having more of a rubbery grip like this. Daryl's still doing it with my phone. It's getting on my nerves, so I'm just gonna use his. Did y'all hear that? That's a hot mess. So I want him to customize mine so that when I plug mine in, it says Sheen Boo. So Daryl went ahead and set up my phone, so when I plug it in, it's gonna make a crazy sound. I'll go ahead and link down the shortcuts video that I watched, or that we watched, to get this feature, because I really can't explain to you how to get it. I just copied the video, so when I plug in the phone, it's gonna come in. Daryl does not call me Sheen Boo. He does not like that at all. So he messes with me and says Sheenda. So that's why you heard it say Sheenda. And then I was like Sheen Boo, because I knew he wasn't gonna say it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. I wish y'all could see Daryl dancing. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know.